Did you know God once made time go backwards to show his amazing power? Long ago, there was a good king named Hezekiah who loved God very much. But one day, King Hezekiah became very sick with painful sores all over his body. God sent the prophet Isaiah with sad news. You need to get ready because you're going to die. King Hezekiah turned his face to the wall and cried really hard. He prayed to God, reminding him how he had always tried to be good and faithful. God heard his prayer and sent Isaiah back with wonderful news. God will let you live 15 more years. But Hezekiah wanted to be sure, so he asked God for a special sign. God said, "Watch the shadow on the sundial." Everyone gathered around and watched in amazement as the shadow moved backwards 10 steps. The sun itself seemed to go backwards in the sky. Time had reversed, showing God's incredible power. God can do impossible things and always hears our prayers.